Can you explain to me the concept behind the Three Sisters Garden, like what it is that is beneficial when you grow something like corn, beans, and squash all together?
So they all sort of interconnect with each other in sort of a symbiotic relationship where they help each other in some way. So the corn, can be sweet corn. I think in the case of what the Grow This program is using, the sweet corn provides a trellis or physical support for the bean vine to grow. So it sort of helps the bean to access sunlight by growing up the stalk of the corn. But then the bean, which is planted adjacent or right around the corn stalk, is fixing nitrogen from the air. So the atmosphere is like 78% nitrogen. So it's sort of, helping the corn because corn takes a lot of nitrogen, and it's fixing the nitrogen from the atmosphere so that the corn can use that nitrogen. And then we usually put another companion plant with them, which is the squash. And the squash is sort of, covering the ground. It's not growing up the stalk of the corn, but it's just shading the ground so that it's controlling weeds that may compete with the bean and the corn for sunlight or for nutrients or for water. So the squash is using that available space underneath the canopy of the bean and the corn to grow a food crop that can be harvested later.